All right, we are at 17166 Appoline,
right.
and we are in the Bagley.
No, we're still in Schulze.
Schulze district.
Schulze. We're near the Bagley, very close by.
Near the Bagley. I'll give you guys kind of the sun. It's so bright and nice out today that it messes up the lighting a little bit.
Really cute neighborhood.
Yeah, this is a really cool looking neighborhood, and we've already met a couple neighbors that were awesome.
If you look down here, you'll notice here it's a really good neighborhood down straight there. Nice tree-lined street.
A lot of pride of ownership. There's still some Halloween things. All the yard. I don't think I've even really seen bad yards at all today. So solid B neighborhood. Bless you. The boards will be coming down soon, but the rehab is done. I love all these brand new screen and storm doors I've been seeing on the properties today. I left my folder in the other property. This is 3-bedroom. Ooh.
I believe this is 4.
Oh, 4-bedroom. And the price on this is $133, renting for estimated $1,300, which is pretty much at the 1% rule. Holy cow! Did you guys do this?
Yeah, we did this. Well, this one finished not too long ago.
Wow. Is this a usable fireplace? You leave them usable for tenants?
Not always.
Not always?
Honestly, depends on the area.
Okay. The tenant quality is going to dictate. For anyone who may not put those two things together, you do not want tenants who are going to burn down your house. Ooh, backsplash all the way up. Nice. This is a big kitchen. I like the countertop.
That is granite as well.
Granite, all right.
I love the dining room too. I think the dining room is one of my favorite parts because it flows.
We'll go down to the basement soon.
Yeah. Then you got bedroom 1, bedroom 2.
In Detroit, it is standard that tenants travel with their own fridge and stove, which still makes me laugh. The fridge I'm used to, stove I'm not. The hardwoods in here are probably the nicest ones I've seen. I like these. Kind of back to the living room. This is a big dining area. All right, bedroom. Wow, this is big. Bedroom number 1. Dual vanities.
It's got a nice little tub.
Heyo. Whoa. This house is only $133.
This one, 130.
And a jacuzzi tub? I've never seen it. You were waiting for me to see this, weren't you? I've never seen a jacuzzi tub and a turnkey. How cool.
And that's the back door over there.
Okay. So just 1 bedroom downstairs.
And I think you have 3 units.
Okay.
Let's go take a look.
Let's take a look. Holy fireplace. That's amazing. So is it only the stairs are carpeted?
No, this is a 3-bedroom.
Oh, 3-bedroom total. This is a cool setup. So is this a half or full? Half bath. So 1.5 baths.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Pretty big size.
This is huge.
It's got the same thing on the other side.
Is this primarily a family type of area?
Family,
Like who are your
yeah.
tenants'
This
families?
will be family for sure.
Okay. I love these rooms. And we're still on the west side of Detroit?
Yeah.
Okay. It'd be fun to put a little like couch, little side table.
I would put like a desktop here.
Yeah. A little office nook.
Yeah. So that'd go for.
Does this one have, or basement, I forgot. Does it have a garage too?
Yes. Through the kitchen.
Through the kitchen.
So do you like this? Do you like going through another access point
Oh yeah.
from the living room as well as the dining room?
Oh, 100%.
You know? I like that. Not every house has that.
I almost missed the turn.
This is also another decent sized basement.
Whoa. A little extra food
My
storage.
favorite part.
Hey, this is actually pretty big in here. Can't really see it with.
If you want, I can take this off just to show you, but it does have
Another bathroom? So is it two? It's one full bath and two half baths? I don't even know how to mark that on a pro
It
forma.
has another fireplace.
What? Is that going to be open?
No, but I can rip it off if we really wanted to.
No, but I mean it's going to be open when somebody moves in. Wow. This is cool. This is huge. And CapEx wise, do you remember if you guys replaced
We did.
everything?
Yes, we did.
New electrical box.
New electrical. Pecs above you. New stack. That's new pecs going into the plumbing for the bathroom. See continuation over here.
Does this stay open over here?
That's gonna stay open
Okay.
for the basement.
Is that just like is that for a specific reason it stays open or just access to
Just
the?
access.
Okay. Wow. Somebody could have a heyday with this room down here. Be a fun second living room, basement, man cave.
Yeah.
This bathroom is crazy. With a closet.
Now you got the lights on.
So literally someone could live down here, shy of the
this
shower.
is- besides the shower, absolutely.
Is this a
That's just your-
separate room?
Yep, that's where your furnace goes and your hot water tank.
Cool. This is awesome. New faucet. Go out the front door to the
Front. Let's
backyard.
do front, yeah. Let's do front. I'll just knock these lights out.
These floors are killer. I'm not sure in the video, they look like they might be showing up a little bit light. They're actually dark hardwoods. Let's see. I'm not sure how to. There you go. That's kind of a better picture of it. Nice sized porch. Like I said, those boards will be coming off. They just do that during the rehab to make sure the heathens stay out. Is this the driveway?
Yep, that's the driveway. Yes.
Before I go walking up some neighbor's driveway. So brick, if you've watched any of the other Detroit videos, you've heard me ramble on about how over siding I am. Big fan of brick now, whole new respect, because I'm tired of dealing with siding. So we've got a 1-car garage. Decent yard back here. I assume tenants are responsible for landscaping?
Tenants are responsible.
Okay. Nice garage structure.
Looks like
Oh,
some sort of
people are
renovation.
doing a renovation. That's always a good sign. Very cool.
Cool.
All right. And this was, say the address one more time.
17166 Appoline.
Got it. Oh, and we met neighbors. You can see them across the street. They were awesome. Lots of good caretaking, home ownership, pride of ownership. One of my favorite signs.